Making change in Washington, D.C. There are many fun and exciting things to see and do in Washington, D.C. Some of them are free. You can visit the White House, the World War II Memorial, the Lincoln Memorial. While you're there, you could view a statue of Lincoln, view the Washington Monument, the Capitol, the Jefferson Memorial, and while you're there, you could view a statue of Thomas Jefferson. What do these people have in common? Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Jefferson, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, George Washington, John F. Kennedy. Yes, these people are all presidents. What else do they have in common? I'll give you a hint. They are pictured in something that you would need in order to buy an item. You've got it, coins or money. Lincoln is on the penny, Jefferson on the nickel, Roosevelt on the dime, Washington on the quarter, and Kennedy on the 50-cent piece. So we've talked about places to visit in DC that were free and did not cost money. I want you to think of other places that would cost money. What would these places be? Traveling would be one thing that would cost money in Washington, D.C. This is a picture of the Metro. It's an underground transit system that gets you from one place to another. In order to ride the Metro, it'll cost me $1.65. I'm going to pay with $2. If it is $1.65 and I pay with $2, what will my change be? Remember, when we count back change, we always start with the smallest coins first. My fare was $1.65. So there is 2 nickels and 1 quarter. We'll start at $1.65 plus a nickel is $1.70, another nickel $1.75, and the quarter makes $2. Another place that costs money in Washington, D.C. would be a restaurant. My bill was $15.20. If I paid with a $20 bill, how much would my change be? Looks like there's 3 quarters and 1 nickel. 20 cents plus the nickel would be 25 cents, plus 3 quarters would be 50, 75, $16, plus 4 $1 bills, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Another place that costs money in DC is the gift shop at the Smithsonian American Art Museum. As you can see, my total was $2.50. I am paying with a $10 bill. What do you think my change will be? Well, my total is $2.50. What plus $2.50 would equal $3? We know that 50 plus 50 equals 100, so 50 cents plus 50 cents will equal $1. It looks like my change is $7.50. So I am expecting her to give me back 2 quarters. Okay, so $2.50 plus the 2 quarters, $2.75, $3, and count the bills. 4, 5 plus 5 is 10. As you can tell, it is very important to be able to count back change when someone is purchasing something. Not only will you use this skill in Washington, D.C., but you will use it in your everyday life.